Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Ring doorbell is probably one of the most essential smart home devices you can own. It offers a convenient way to see who's at your door, even when you're not home. With features like two-way talk, motion detection, and video recording, you can enhance your home security and never miss a visitor or delivery again. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Ring Doorbell and Chime, exploring its features, setup, and overall value. Number 5. SadoTech Wireless Doorbell Kit. This wireless doorbell kit includes everything you need for a quick setup. It comes with a transmitter, a receiver, double-sided tape, anchors, and screws. The included battery can last up to 3 years. You can easily customize this doorbell by selecting from over 50 chime sounds. It also has 4 volume settings, making it perfect for any situation, whether it's nap time or a party. This doorbell uses patented technology for a long-range signal, up to 1,000 feet, without needing Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It's great for large homes, apartments, offices, and warehouses. This smart doorbell remembers your settings and features modern LED lights that illuminate and blink. It's also weatherproof and can operate in temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. This wireless doorbell is perfect for various settings, including homes, businesses, and offices. You can use it outdoors for gates and mailboxes or indoors for classroom management. It's a versatile solution for any need. What we like. This wireless doorbell is incredibly easy to set up, making it perfect for anyone who wants a hassle-free installation. It boasts a long range, ensuring you won't miss a visitor, even in a large home. If you are looking for a simple, reliable doorbell solution without complex wiring, this is the one for you. What people say. Motion detection is very good. The video quality is great. The setup was easy. Number 4. AOSU Wireless Doorbell Camera. This doorbell camera gives you a complete view of your doorstep. It captures everything from head to toe with its wide-angle lens. You'll never miss a visitor or package. The camera automatically detects packages. It sends you instant alerts, so you know when your deliveries arrive. This helps keep your packages safe and secure. Tired of false alerts? This camera uses advanced technology to focus on people. It minimizes notifications from animals or shadows, giving you accurate alerts. See every detail with stunning 2K Full HD video. The camera provides exceptional clarity, so you can see who's at your door and what they're doing. When you're busy, use the quick voice reply feature. You can also use the voice changer to protect your privacy or deter unwanted visitors. Communicate with visitors from anywhere. The two-way voice function keeps you connected and in control of your home security. Easily connect this doorbell camera with Alexa or Google Assistant. Enjoy hands-free control and real-time alerts to enhance your home security. What we like. The AOSU doorbell camera offers a unique head-to-toe view, ensuring you see everything happening at your doorstep. It also features package detection, so you'll never miss a delivery. If you are concerned about package security and want a comprehensive view of your front door, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The Ring doorbell is a great product. The video quality is excellent. Installation was straightforward. Number 3. Ring Chime Pro, Wi-Fi Extender, Nightlight and Notification. This is the Ring Chime Pro, a versatile 3-in-1 solution. It extends your Wi-Fi, provides notifications, and even has a built-in nightlight. It's designed to bring convenience and peace of mind to your home. The Chime Pro extends your Wi-Fi signal up to 2,000 square feet. This boosts the network for all your Ring doorbells and cameras. This ensures a reliable connection for all your devices. Never miss a visitor or important event. The Chime Pro provides real-time notifications when your connected cameras and doorbells detect motion or when someone rings your doorbell. You'll always be in the know. Setting up the Chime Pro is a breeze. Simply plug it into a standard outlet and connect it via Wi-Fi. It's designed for easy installation and immediate use. Enjoy added peace of mind with the built-in nightlight. It automatically turns on, providing gentle illumination. It's a thoughtful feature for your home. Personalize your experience with the Ring app. Choose from a variety of tones, adjust the volume, and even snooze alerts. It offers complete control over your notifications. What we like. The Ring Chime Pro is more than just a chime, it extends your Wi-Fi signal, ensuring your Ring devices stay connected. It also doubles as a nightlight and offers customizable alerts. If you want to boost your Wi-Fi signal and add extra convenience to your Ring setup, it is a great addition. What people say. Motion detection is very good. The video quality is excellent. Installation was easy. Number 2. Ring Battery Doorbell, newest model, Satin Nickel. This new doorbell gives you a full view of your front door. It allows you to see everything from head to toe. It's perfect for home or business security. The doorbell has a built-in battery. You can easily recharge it with a USB-C charging port. Just detach it and connect the charging cable. Installation is a breeze. Charge it, click it into place, and you're connected. You can stay connected right from your phone. You can see and respond to activity with live view and two-way talk. This feature allows you to communicate with anyone at your door. It enhances your home security. Receive real-time alerts on your phone when motion is detected. This feature keeps you informed of any activity. It helps you stay in the know. Get smart alerts that tell you if there's a person or package at your door. This feature requires a subscription, sold separately. It provides extra peace of mind. With a Ring Protect subscription, you can scroll back in time and rewatch what you missed. You'll also get AI-powered alerts. It offers more protection. What we like. The Ring Battery Doorbell provides a comprehensive view with its head-to-toe video, ensuring you don't miss any details. It features a built-in battery for easy charging and two-way talk. If you want a simple and easy-to-install doorbell with all the essential features, this is the one for you. What people say. Motion detection is very good. The video quality is excellent. Installation was very easy. Number 1. Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. This doorbell offers an expanded field of view, allowing you to see more of who is at your door. It ensures you don't miss any details with its high-definition video quality. Stay informed with motion detection and alerts, even at night. This feature includes privacy zones and color night vision, so you always know who is stopping by. Receive alerts when packages are delivered or when a person is detected. With a Ring Protect subscription, you'll be notified of important events happening at your doorstep. The device is powered by a quick-release battery pack, making recharging quick and easy. This ensures that it is always ready to protect your home. Setting up is simple, just connect it to your Wi-Fi through the Ring app. The included tools make mounting the device straightforward. With a Ring Protect subscription, you can rewatch missed events and receive AI-powered alerts. This helps you stay informed and enhances your home security. Pair it with Alexa for added convenience and peace of mind. You can hear motion alerts on your Echo device or see a live view with an Echo Show. You can also talk to visitors using voice commands. What we like. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus offers an expanded view with its head-to-toe HD Plus video, so you can see more of who's there. It also includes color night vision and person and package alerts. If you are looking for advanced features and enhanced security, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. The Ring Doorbell is easy to install. The video quality is great. Motion detection works well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.